How to do a stop pie on a mountain bike. One of the essential building block mountain biking skills is the ability to lift your rear wheel off the ground. Knowing how to do this well will make a lot of other hopping tricks far easier. Steps. 1. Get ready. There's a good chance you'll get launched over your bars a couple times, so strap on your helmet, gloves, and pads. If you are rocking clipless pedals, switch to flats to make ejects easier. Find a big grassy area with no obstacles to practice in. 2. Roll forward at moderate speed, 15 to 20 km/h, 93 to 12.4 miles per hour, with your weight over your rear wheel. 3. Rock your weight forward while progressively squeezing on the front brake. Keep increasing the braking power until your rear wheel begins to lift. If you find that the rear wheel is pitching upward too quickly, release the brake immediately and move your weight rearward. 4. Sustain. Gently shift your weight back over the rear wheel to balance and keep yourself from going over the bars. 5. Release the front brake and extend your legs to drop your rear wheel back onto the ground. 6. Rinse and repeat. Increase your speed and amplitude to up the altitude. The faster you go, and the quicker you shift your weight forward, the higher the rear wheel will lift. Tips. Increment slowly. Start at slow speeds and just lift your wheel a few inches. As you get more comfortable, you will be able to lift the rear wheel a foot or two. Warnings. You will go over your bars a few times while learning. Start small, wear protective gear, and ride with flat pedals. Things. A mountain bike with good front brakes. A bicycle helmet. Knee elbow pads. Flat pedals. A large grassy area. First aid kit and a friend.